Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day of the reggae dance hall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. A Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Hello family, welcome back to another episode. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I really appreciate your coming over here today. In this episode, I will be giving you an update on the much anticipated progress of the mangoes, as well as to give you an update on fruits and vegetables that are either ready or almost ready.
There we go. M4 mango.
M4.
Yes.
Are these
this was
Jamaican mangoes?
It's not popular. No, it's not known in Jamaica.
Okay. The only number I know is 11. M4. MI5.
Okay. This was planted last summer, sometime during the summer. And see, we have mangoes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So how big do these get?
Well, the mangoes themselves get large. They are
bigger than my hand?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So worth eating.
Oh yeah, these are going to be very, very good.
Good,
and
good.
May be ready.
Let me tell you, because I have it written on there. Oh, it's not on this one. There should be about June.
About June.
Yeah. There you got. There you should have Julie.
Look, I thought that was a snake.
On this because it says half of plan. But that's a Julie.
Where's the Julie?
Right
this
there.
Is Julie. That's one of my favorites. It ties with East Indian.
We have 300 Julie on that bed right there.
Oh my gosh.
We'll walk over there in a minute and show you.
What about the East Indian?
We have the same amount and the other bed a little bit less because the East Indian grow a little taller.
Awesome.
So because they grow taller, we put them further apart.
Is this that same one again that was over
Honey
there?
case.
Oh, honey case. These are all new
yes.
mangoes.
This is another new one.
You named them?
No. But these are the skills variety.
Well, that must be sweet. If you call it honey case.
Honey case, yes. And then you see more there and there and there and there. Oh, and this is a little Scotch bonnet. We're trying to use up the space, so put Scotch bonnet pepper in between. These were planted like 3 days ago, so they are very new in the ground. I'll show you some that's been in the ground for about 3 weeks, and we're going to be getting peppers anytime soon. That one, there's a label on it. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, it looks like East Indian. Let me see.
Yeah.
East Indian.
Oh, yes. Give it a hand.
It looks like East Indian, and it is. There are a lot of them here.
So how soon?
Okay, let's see if it's on this one now, because I normally write it on it. June and July. That's June and July.
I'll be back to test.
I mean, it's not very precise, you know. There are times when you get a little early, times when you get a little bit late.
This is mango. Mangoes in motion.
Galore.
East Indian again.
Oh my God.
It's a very, very young
best mango
tree
in the world.
Yes. It has a flavor that's like no other.
Oh my God. And then, like I said, Julie is a close second.
Okay.
Maybe a tie. Depends on the mood you're in.
Okay, because there are going to be people that's telling you have it backwards.
Because Julie also has that specific taste to it.
Yeah. These are mostly Julie in this bed. A few down there are East Indian.
Yeah.
This is all Julie bed. But look at the peppers.
Guys, look at peppers.
You ever see what 1,000 pepper look like? That's what you're looking at there now. 1,000 Scotch bonnet pepper.
All the way.
Tell us about the pepper.
Well,
When will peppers be ready for?
No, we should have pepper on these within 3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks.
Yes,
so,
we're going to have Scotch bonnet pepper.
Let me see. We're in.
Some of them already have pepper on them. You don't see it from here, but you lift up the leaves and look under. You will see peppers.
So guys, if you want peppers, you can come and get them as early as May.
These have peppers. Look at this.
The third week in May.
Peppers. And you have 1,000 in this row. You got 1,000 in that row. And another 1,000 in that row.
Wow.
Peppers, guys. All peppers.
Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet.
The real Jamaican
How many acres
Scotchy.
do you have?
This is 20.
20 acres?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And you know, I planted so many Julie because I know that I'll never have enough Julie for everybody that loves Julie.
Yeah.
Look at these. All of these fruits right here.
And this is?
These are the cross, the custard apple, the cross with the sweet sop and the sour sop. See, these are all fruits right here.
Oh my gosh.
Look how many.
Wow.
All along the limb, up and down. If you just lift them up and look under them, you see the fruits. It feels like, yeah, it feels like canvas. It's a very strong material.
Custard apple, guys. Custard apple.
With blossoms.
Start bearing, Mr. Miller?
They take a while. You're gonna see custard apple on it, say a month from now, but it's gonna be a while before you actually have the fruit.
You can eat it.
Okay.
To eat. So if you get in here, you're gonna see some. Remember the atimoyas I had mixed up there?
Yes.
Yeah. The atimoyas are full of blossom.
Oh, that apple. Do you have the Jamaican apples?
Yeah.
Is that what you call it? What do you call it again?
Itioti.
Yeah. I can never say it. I just say Jamaican apples.
Look at these over here. These are, I think this is a Lisa. Let's see. Yep, that's a Lisa Atimoya. Full of blossoms. And there you can see we have a lot of
apples I was talking about.
Yeah, we're gonna go over there. Blossom.
What do we have here, Mr. Miller?
These are sweet sop.
Sweet sop.
Yes, sweet sop trees. And just about every plant is full of blossom.
Again, you can tell the difference in the way they look, obviously.
Yes. Oh, yes. The leaves
so
look very different.
The soursop.
I'll show you the soursops. On this bed is all sweet sop. So there are no soursops here. On that bed over there, we have sweet sop and custard apple. Oh, I'll show you the trees that are 1 year of growth. Just 1 year of growth, and they're as tall as we are. Well, let's look at these, because these are actually 2 years old, but what you see there is 1 year of growth. But they are 2-year-old trees. Now, you can't even count the amount of blossom on these. And look at this, same right here. The same right here. And every tree going down. The same right there.
Are really blossoming nice.
Yes. And that bed is the same thing. These 3 beds, all sweet sop.
Sweet sop, sweet sop. So, Mr. Miller, when did you say they can get sweets up?
We're looking at 3 months.
3 months, not bad.
Yeah, for sure. You can get some earlier than that because there are some trees right now that have big fruits on them, but they're like out. You know, they're not exactly when they're supposed to. Sometimes, like some of these trees, we had sweets up on them in January, December, January. I was pulling sweets up off in January. The tree leaves were gone, except the sweets up.
Wow. So the sweet stuff will overlap with the ending of the mango season.
Aha, mango, and then this, yeah, yes.
Mr. Miller, what made you decide to do this?
I used to come down here and try to get fruits all the time, and I could not find, especially Julie mango.
Like
if you don't know somebody that knows somebody, you could not taste a Julie mango.
Right.
And after leaving Jamaica for 30 years, I needed Julie, I needed East Indian, I needed custard apple. And I remember after so many years when I taste a East Indian again, whoa, what a memory.
What a feeling.
Feel just like Spanish Town.
Man. Well, I'm coming back in June for mine. My East Indian.
Okay. And here, if you look at this, it's just dense with sweet sap. Dense with sweet sap, all full of bloom.
Sweet sap, guys, all the way down.
I'm going to show you a banana tree that I planted, and within 6 months, it started to shoot.
Take me to the summer. I'm going to show.
Yeah, we're going there.
I don't know how much they are, though, so
different.
I need to ask.
That's only about 3-4 months old.
Oh, what a...
It started putting out babies, and after the babies, banana.
Do you plant those little bananas? You know the little short?
I have them.
You have those too?
Right here, the little ones. They call them Chinese banana, dirty banana.
Yeah. They were extra sweet, weren't they?
Oh yes, and this is 3rd generation. So you can see that we reap already. Reap from that tree already. Reap from that tree already, and reap from the first one already.
Goodness.
And we don't really. What we do, we cut them when they're full and tied up on the shed. And every day we just pick ripe banana and eat. And by the way, the bananas go down every 8 feet. You have banana going all the way. That's what 600 feet of it going that way, and then another 600 feet of banana going around the back here, and then another 600 in the side. So that's a lot of banana. It's not just banana, you know. Banana, plantain, and every different variety of banana. We just plant them, mix them up. This was reaped today. So what you're looking at is what's left after we reaped it.
Guys, this is callaloo. I remember when I came the last time, Mr. Miller, this was like an experiment you were working on.
Yes.
And look, it turned out so nice.
We reaped this twice already. And now we're going to be reaping this every week. So we reap today. So next week, Thursday, we plan to reap again.
So you reap on Thursdays?
We try to reap Wednesday, Thursday.
So guys, if you want your callaloo, reach out to Mr. Miller.
We have different patches, you know, so you can get callaloo at different times. This set is going to reap that time. Over there is going to reap another day. Over the other side, reap another day. And the other side, another day. So we're going to have callaloo to reap every day.
Wow. So guys, look at this. Rows and rows of callaloo.
This is actually half an acre of callaloo. It's not complete. Wow. And by when we finish this side, then will be half an acre. So mango, them pretty.
But what does it taste like?
I-R-W-I-N. Irwin, yeah. There are some beautiful mangoes. Good? Yes. They are expensive mango in Japan. I guess just because they are pretty. Irwin. This is another Irwin. In fact, a whole bunch of those are Irwin right there. And I have to come back and stake them because they're getting heavy for the tree. See, we have this should be rosy gold. Let's see. Yep, this is rosy gold. This is one of the first mangoes that we're gonna get for this season. This is gonna be ripe before just about any other mango.
They grow quickly.
They they ripe before the other mango during the season. You know, mango season.
Yeah.
Let's see.
They're
Let's see
pre-season.
Yeah. This one in May. Which month we know?
Next month.
Okay.
Next week.
Next month. We sometimes have rosy gold.
So guys, rosy gold will be ready in May.
She fast. She grows quickly.
Yes.
And those on there are the same. Irwin going down. You see those beautiful color, pretty color mango. That kind of reddish like. And
it's
then we
the
have
taste
rosy
that
gold.
I care about more than how pretty they look.
Rosy gold, I don't know if it's one of my favorites in terms of taste. But it's a mango and you won't have any other mango. So if you like mango, you're going to eat rosy gold at that time.
Till your favorite comes. Yeah. I hear you.
There are some Julie trees over there full of mango till the mangoes touching the ground. I need to go stake them.
What, they're actually bearing?
Yeah.
Where?
Some of these beds here. The mangoes are touching the ground. Because they get heavier and heavier each day.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go. It's almost always Julie. It's a Julie. In fact, that entire bed right there is Julie again. You remember I have all the beds full of Julie over there?
Yeah.
That's Julie again. It's Julie again. I only have like Pickering.
And these are Julie again.
That's Julie. Everyone in this bed, Julie. We started off everyone in that bed East Indian until somebody messed
would
up.
Be happy.
And then another pot.
And this is?
That is Super Alfonso. It's an Alfonso mango.
Well, I never heard of that one either.
It's one of them Indian favorite.
But don't you find the best mangoes are the Jamaican ones? Are mangoes the best?
I
Jamaican
think so.
mangoes?
Yes. And
everything about us is just so amazing. Oh, she's not taping me. Recognize him now, they're bigger.
All of these, right? All these in these 12. Oh, look, the baby falling to the ground. This wind.
Yeah, it's too small.
It's like Bombay.
Yeah?
That you would not believe a tree this size would produce.
That name is not a politically correct name. Coolie plum. Is there another name for it?
In Jamaica? Coolie plum.
Okay, cool. We're going
to see all this?
Guava. Oh my goodness.
And they are huge and sweet.
Wow.
And here is just mangoes again, all kinds of mangoes going on. Mangoes and plums. And I didn't even see that. Guava at the top.
And when will these be ready?
Oh, guava is all year round.
Okay. And the plums?
No, the plum is seasonal.
When?
Yeah, I don't remember what season. I had, those were full of plums.
Which one is this, Mr. Miller?
This is called M4. It's another very new.
Oh, the M4. We met them over the
a
other
new variety. And then, well, look at this. You can. This is another carry.
And that's the sugar something or other.
Madame Francis. This
Madame
is a
Francis.
Yeah.
Tell us about this tree, Mr. Miller.
Okay, this one is a Julie that was pollinated with Bombay. When you taste this one, it is just a delight.
Oh,
you never, it almost as if it wants to tingle in your mouth. And you know, Bombay falls off the seed.
Yes.
This will be trying. It's like having a Julie that's falling off the seed.
Yes.
And
Julie and Bombay. So, Mr. Miller, if persons want to get this kind of combination,
I have them already grafted. So I already have a few of these.
Okay. So guys, you can come on in and get your Bombay and Julie combined.
Yeah, and it's not dwarf because the Bombay it will grow, so you gotta keep cutting it. But it's produce fruit at this size.
Do you have others that are taller?
This one?
This.
It
yeah.
will grow taller next year. Farm before me. Even though I check it every. Oh, this one.
What's-
Guys, look what
Oh,
we
are they
have here.
ripe?
This one was.
Alright.
I just touched it and it came off, so it's almost ripe. You can feel it. You can tell. See.
Okay, break it. Let's see. It's gonna break it for us. Show the inside. Nice.
Okay.
That's a big
About
one.
how tall is this tree, Mr. Miller?
3 feet.
About 3 feet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 3 to 4 feet.
Roughly.
And we'll see how many. This is all blossom. It will produce all year. Look,
So you
I'm
have-
gonna open this one.
Oh, it's ripe.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take that one. Thank you.
Right.
So if persons want to get Niceberry, Mr. Miller, they are able to.
Nice.
We don't have that many. We only have maybe a dozen plants.
So first come, first serve.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Guys, this Niceberry is so sweet.
The tree is loaded.
Mhm.
You can see what they look like. Them big like coconut.
Venus.
Wow, that's a big man, like a coconut.
Mhm.
What is
That was
this
bad.
one?
That's Venus again. That's a big mango.
Okay.
So those are
They're
real
late
babies.
season. They're gonna be there for a while. These are late season.
So these will be ready maybe say
August?
July, August?
Yeah. And after after most of the mangoes are gone, you'll have some of these here.
This will be the dessert.
Let's
Let
see.
me look at it.
They
Yeah,
look
go
like France something. Can you see the name?
That's a fruit punch. Yep.
Is it fruit punch again?
Yep. That's a fruit punch.
That would be an interesting mango. Fruit punch. I have to have a fruit punch when I come. Gosh. Mangoes galore.
Mhm.
Yeah.
First one to give me mango.
Oh, this is a Julie, right?
Yeah, that's Julie right there. It's a super Julie.
And this is my East Indian.
Yeah, East Indian.
Mr. Miller has a surprise for us, guys.
These are persimmons.
These are what?
Persimmons.
Persimmon.
Yeah, they are persimmon. And I have
What
lot of different varieties, but they're all non-astringent persimmons. These are
What
all.
do they look like?
What do they look?
Yes, when they're all grown.
They look like a tomato.
Oh,
They look like a tomato.
This doesn't look like a tomato plant, though.
No, but the fruit looks like a tomato.
It doesn't taste
And
like
it
a
tastes-
tomato.
Look at this.
What does
These
it
are
taste like?
blossom. This one came from Japan. What I like about persimmon is like, the look. When
You look like person.
winter comes, there will be nothing here but yellow. Just the fruit. All the leaves will be gone. And the
Oh,
fruits will remain.
And they're yellow.
they'll continue to ripen on the tree with 0 leaves.
did you used
And
to like that when you
there
were
are
a kid?
150 of these, and they're gonna be producing this year.
Wow.
Most of them, a lot of them. I don't know how many. 150 of them on half an acre.
Wow.
Yeah. Let me see if I could find some more with blossoms. And there's a fruit coming out right there.
Persimmon, guys.
Big. Good day.
Good day.
Oh man, they broke. Oh no. You know, oh man, one this broke Jeff. Come over here, sir. Come over here, sir. Look on them. Look how them big.
Persimmon big.
Yes. And the ones further down,
How big do they get? What
mm,
size?
let's say about 4 inches, a little three inches.
Mm-hmm.
This one drop off.
Persimmon. Okay.
All the way down, guys. Persimmon,
Yeah,
persimmon,
the
persimmon.
bed is half an acre.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah,
You're interested?
I'm sure we'll find some down there with bigger fruits.
If I were to drop this, would it grow?
No,
No,
too
that's
young.
not helping you. I thought
It's
I'd
too
throw
young.
it.
Yeah.
what are these, Mr. Miller?
Jamaican apple.
The otte.
OTT apple, yes.
Oh,
And then we
that's
have the
nice.
purple Sylvancy yam, dark night. We call it from in my area. These are dark nights. Ended up getting one piece of yam and micrograph, and I end up with 30. So I get
Wow.
30 out of the one. More coming up, and I have a bunch more around back. That was from one piece of yam. Aki.
Yam, apple, and
So we have Aki from, all these are Aki again, and Scotch bonnet pepper. And these pepper will be producing pepper. They're already start, a lot of them start blossom already, so you should have pepper shortly within about another. Yes, this is Jamaica Farm. We grow anything that Jamaican like. So if you need any type of tropical fruits or anything from Jamaica, call us here. 678-458-6257.